Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, I am sending back the Bissell IconPet model 2291A. This robot retails for $399, and I bought it mainly because it offered 7,000 PA suction, so I wanted to try that out, as well as the claim that the brush roll will not hold hair, whether it be human or pet, and it did pass that test. The main problem with this robot is there is no type of navigation whatsoever. It's a random navigation robot that costs $400, which is kind of ridiculous. In my test I did with this guy, it missed a ton of spots in the room, and it's a small room too. Another thing that is really insane about this thing is when you have it plugged into the wall, into the dock, it creates probably a good 2 foot by 4 foot area around the dock that the robot will not go near and clean. Another thing that is not good on this thing is the spot cleaning ability. I just did a test with some pet hair, and most robots do about a 4 by 4 square type area. This thing, it does more like a 2 by 2 area that's random, so it doesn't even go over the whole area correctly. I did that test twice in a 4 by 4 area, and it still missed a whole bunch of stuff. Then after that, I ran my Roborock S5, and it probably got 95% of what the Bissell missed. So I just can't recommend this in any way, shape, or form. Another thing that's terrible on this guy is the edge cleaning. There is no side brush at all. So it cannot clean your edges, and that's where typically a lot of pet hair and stuff builds up over time. So you will literally have to take a handheld vacuum and clean your edges and baseboards, because this just cannot do it. So I just wanted this to be a really quick video of why I don't recommend this. Do not waste $400 on it. Sorry, Bissell, but if you guys would have put navigation or a LiDAR or something on here, it would have been a pretty decent robot overall. But the fact that it's so terrible at navigating, I do not recommend it at all. I have done several tests with this. If you want some proof of what I'm saying, I'll put some links down in the description. You can check out those videos, and I'm pretty sure you're going to agree with me. For the $400 price tag, this is just not worth it. There's much better robots out there. Like, for instance, there's a Roborock S5. That thing you can typically find on sale for around like $320 to $350. It'll probably be around that price before Christmas. And that thing will absolutely destroy this Bissell. Another one that will destroy it, that's a simple, basic iRobot Roomba 692. And that thing will out-clean this thing all day long. So do not spend $400. It's way overpriced. It's just not a good robot vacuum. I was really hoping it would be, but I'm not going to recommend any products that I think is not worthy at all. So please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.